All right. Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Blake Herrera. I'm a sales representative from FlyBuy Drones. And what's your name?
Mom.
Mama? Nice to meet you, Mom. All right. So, before I get started here, I just want to go ahead and start this presentation off with a question. And, I'm just going to say you've probably purchased a vehicle at some point in your lifetime. Correct? Okay. And chances are, probably, when you bought that vehicle, you probably inspected every inch of that vehicle, every detail, every aspect, everything about that vehicle before deciding to make that large investment, correct? So my question to you is, why should real estate be any different when it's an even bigger investment? And you might say, well, I can take my client and we can tour the home together. Problem with that, if the client's not interested, it's a waste, right? You waste time, you waste your money, you waste all your effort. So what's the point of doing that if they're not interested? So you're probably thinking, maybe there's a solution to this, right? Well, there is. And that solution is FlyBuy Drones. So what do, right? Ultimately, our mission is to provide our customers with the most innovative, effective, and comprehensive approach to solving their real estate marketing needs, right? So you're probably like, okay, that's cool. What do you do? Like, what do you offer, right? So, really, we offer a variety of services. We offer flying, cinematography, photography, video editing, and voiceover services, right? We offer a big range of services there, right? So, I'm going to start off with just the flying, videography, photography services. So, you're probably thinking, okay, well, that's cool. You offer a lot of services, but why should I decide to advertise with drones, right? Why should I make a video and advertise that to my clients that has drones featured in it, right? That are filming the video, right? So, what drones can do that cameraman can't do is they can showcase the size of your property when they're, hundreds of feet in the air. They're filming down. They can get that wide angle shot. It's beautiful. They can also show land and surrounding features of the property. They can show some really cool indoor features as well. And probably the biggest thing that makes the biggest impression on the client, they provide a very quality, high dollar look, very Hollywood style look for a very reasonable cost, right? And it's great, right? Another big reason, like I mentioned before, with the tours of the homes, and instead of having to physically go out and tour the home with your client, and then your client's like, well, I'm not interested, and then you're sitting there and you're like, wow, I just wasted all my time, all this money getting here with the gas and everything, and now you're just angry, right? Well, you don't have to do that anymore. You can use us and give a tour to your client via video, right? So, saves time, saves travel expenses. Biggest thing, it appeals to more clients. Because you can put that on the internet, you can put it on your website, you can put it on YouTube, send your client a link, boom. You can now appeal to any person in the world to sell your property to. It's fantastic. So, now you're probably like, okay, that's cool with your flying and videography services. That's interesting, right? What else do you offer, right? And this second thing right here, the video editing and voiceover, I like to call this kind of the stage 2 of our video creation process that we create for you. So here, really, our video editing experts, our Final Cut Pro specialists, can provide you with just amazing quality video, great quality video. It's really good. And our voiceover, our professional voice actors can accompany your video with some great quality, very detailed audio. Just provide some great insight to your clients about some of the cool features of the home and stuff like that. So that's a big bonus there. And like you're probably like, well, what kind of equipment do you offer? What do you use? Well, FlyBuy Drones, our professional drone pilots use FAA registered drones that have the latest in drone technology. I'm talking 360-degree cameras, 4K Ultra HD cameras, 60 FPS cameras, stuff like that, right? If you don't care about that, basically it's the good stuff, right? We use the good cameras that can make you look good, make you look professional, right? So you're like, well, that's great, you use good equipment, you make good videos. I don't care if it's too expensive, right? That's what I'm about to talk here, the pricing, right? So our base package, our bronze package, we show the interior and exterior of the property, show this nice stock music background to accompany the video, nice standard video format, MP4 format, 4K quality video, 5 minutes, 5-minute tour length, and it's $2.99. Great for a smaller property that you're trying to showcase. Maybe you're not looking to have a super in-depth tour, maybe there's just not that many features. Use that. Nice little base package, great for small properties. Now let's say you're like, I'm selling a little bit of a larger property, has some more features, and I really want that voiceover. Several packages for you. So, you get the interior and exterior shown, just like the bronze package. You get the stock music and the voiceover background, so you can have the voiceover accompany your video. It can describe what's going on the screen, describe this beautiful staircase does this, right? I'm not a professional voice actor, as you can see, but, you know, stuff like that. You also get standard audio format, 4K quality video, 10 minutes in length. You're doubling the length from the bronze package, only $100 more. Great deal if you ask me. Wonderful. So, we're like, these bronze and silver packages just quite, aren't quite doing it for me. I'm looking to go big or go home. I'm looking for something awesome, right? I want to really impress my clients with just really immersive experiences. A really in-depth tour that really gives them the feel of the home. Well, gold package is for you then. So, with the gold package, we showcase the interior, the exterior, and the surrounding areas of the property. We have the nice stock music and voiceover to accompany the video in our video that we're creating for you, and we have standard and VR video formats. A little bit about the VR video formats. Have you ever heard of 360-degree video? A little bit, okay. So essentially what we can do is we use special cameras, right? And those cameras can film in 360 degrees, right? So those cameras can essentially allow the person using or watching your video to essentially just swipe around and see the video that's you're showing, right? They can, look up, they can look down, and the coolest thing, in my opinion, this is awesome, right? This is cutting edge technology. They can use their smartphone, put it in a VR viewing device for their smartphone, either a Google Cardboard or a Daydream VR for the Google Pixel, or a Samsung Gear VR for the Galaxy S7 or the Galaxy S7 Edge. But they can use that, and they can actually, put that there, and they can actually look around like they're actually in the home. Is that not awesome? That's awesome. That's incredible. So, really cool stuff. We allow you to do that with a gold package. Unlimited length tour. So, if you want a 30-minute tour, done. Hour-long tour, done. 2-hour-long tour, super crazy in-depth tour, you can do that. So, you get the unlimited length, $6.99. It's a little bit more expensive, but you get a lot for it. In my opinion, plenty worth it. Great deal. And we also do offer custom quotes. If none of these quite fit your budget, or you're like, maybe I don't really need the VR video, I don't really need, I only need like 20 minutes, we can work with you. We will offer you a custom quote, and we can adjust the price to reflect that. So, now that you know a little bit about FlyBuy drones, and you know a little bit about what we do, I'd like to go ahead and just take the time to show you an example project, an example video that we created to showcase some of the services, especially the voiceover and the drone flying services. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you this video that kind of showcases really what we do. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that.
Upon entry, you are greeted with large bright windows and a majestic open riser spiral staircase. The main floor showcases a private den with extensive paneling, custom-built library shelving, and a two-way fireplace. Adjacent to the den is a formal dining room that equally impresses, with an elegant fireplace and plenty of room to entertain guests.
Alright, well now that the video is over, I really hope you enjoyed that. But yeah, just to go ahead and wrap this up, I just want to go ahead and say, at FlyBuy Drones, our mission is to provide you with the best quality, most effective, comprehensive, and innovative approach to fit your real estate marketing needs, right? We want to help you sell that property to your client. That's what we're here for, right? So that's what we're here to do. We're willing to work with you to, adjust packages to fit your needs. We can make the video of your dreams, man. We can do anything. With the video, we can really help you out. So that's great. And I hope you enjoy my presentation, and I'd like to open the floor to questions. I'd like to thank you for giving me just the opportunity to present to you. Thank you so much. I love my job, man. This is just wonderful. But yeah, so do you have any questions?
How long have y'all been doing this?
We've actually been operating since 2012 out of Round Rock, Texas. We're Central Texas based. But yeah, we're pioneers in this field here in creating videos for real estate people, real estate agents.
Are you insured?
Are we insured? Yes, we are. We have a $1 million insurance policy, so if one of our pilots, which would never happen, our pilots are very professionally trained, one of our pilots somehow crashes our drone through your property's window and you're freaking out, don't worry, you're insured, you're covered, you're good.
How do I make an appointment?
How do you make an appointment? Well, you can actually just contact me for a little bit more information. I can set you up with a little bit more information, and I can get you in contact with one of our pilots, and I can go ahead and send them out there to you, and we can go ahead and make that work. So if you're interested in doing that, potentially today, if you maybe want to sleep on it or something like that, we can make that happen. Make it happen as soon as possible. Just contact me. Here's my business card, actually. If you're interested, there you go. There's my contact information on there. But yeah, any other questions? No? Well, thank you so much for allowing me to present to you today. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much.